So what I've done is I've actually already picked some of the items. I've picked the shoes, I've picked the books, I've picked DVDs, and I've picked plush toys and a couple of other random items that I've sold over the weekend. Because Monday is such a big day for me and I have a lot of orders to post, I just thought while I'm making this video it'd be easier if I pick the random items, and then I'll set the camera up here and you can watch me as I pick all the clothes. Okay, so I'm gonna start by packaging up these orders that I have already picked. I am gonna put the earpods in now because yeah, I like to have something to listen to while I'm working. So I've got Tommy and Tracy over live interviewing Josh, so I'm gonna put that on and go and have a listen. After I print my Australia Post label, basically I write on the bottom of each label what the item is, and so the tub. So this one says it's number I 1050, so I know it's in box I 1050. So I was just putting those in alphabetical order because I don't want to have to go to box I twice. Let's do this. Okay, so I've picked all the clothes that need to be packed today that I've sold over the weekend. So there's quite a pile of them today. So now it's time to package them. So that's it, I'm done for the day. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed watching me pick and pack my orders today, then please make sure you leave me a comment because I love to read them. And don't forget to hit the like button and sub to my channel if you're not already. But for now, I need to get to the post office. See ya.